And kung maganda talaga siya gamitin for low light shooting. Just here, what I'm doing. Wow, ang ganda ha. Oops. Oh, may mga ganyan pautot pala. Ito pa oh. Nice. Number 2. To be honest, I didn't know. Even though I'm living here in Davao City, I'm not super active with activities. Kasi I also don't like crowded area. I mean, ayoko mga